What is going on, everyone? I'm happy to see you. I'm back. It's Tuesday. We're spinning the Duel live wheel. Gonna see some meta decks, see some anime decks, see some playground nonsense. Last time, the video that you saw this was actually like 2 weeks ago. I'm recording, work conference and stuff. We saw Yugi versus Kaiba and a Dragon Buster lock. So, let's see what we can see without seeing Sword Soul. No Sword Soul. I'm so tired of seeing Sword Soul. I'll deal with dinosaurs. Dinosaurs are fine. I like being able to hover and see how many cards are engraved now. Drytron. Yeah, it's been a while since we've seen Drytron. Alpha Tribute. What was that? Beta? Ugh, that's bad. Effect Veiler on the Alpha. Okay. I want to explain to never do that because this activated in hand already. It already did its effect. You literally Veilered nothing. Alright, Beta. This is what you use your Effect Veiler on. Beta, send Fafnir. Fafnir effect, target this, drop it by 1,000, add back. Oh, I said Fafnir. That's the field spell. This is Medionis. Medionis target, send 2, summon Big Boy. I mean, this is not right, but it's not wrong either. Oh! You're built different, huh? Fusion Destiny with a Celestial in hand. Sure. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So one pass. Alright, you better activate that Feather Duster. Ew, you drew Chirano. That's a bad hand. Activate Pot of Extrav, banishing 3, drawing a monster reborn, called by the grave, the Effect Veiler. I think you just lose? Ooh, I love that animation. That's so good. So good. Dust. Set to pass. Really? Oh, interesting. So he's gonna pop the back row, which in my opinion is really, really smart. Popping the back row is better than popping the set card, but I think he should have popped the DPE himself, because if he would have popped DPE, because DPE already destroys itself, if he would have popped DPE, he could have then used Medionis to bring this to 0 and get Medionis back from the grave. So it was the better play. Activate Alpha Tribute Gamma. Wow. Grab Chaos Max. So no Ben 10. This guy is not playing the optimal build, but that's fine. Gamma Tribute Chaos Max. Summon Gamma. Summon Fafnir. Link into Fafnir, I guess. Fafnir effect sends Zeta. Zeta. No, Medionis now. Target. That's fine. Yeah. Medionis effect. Summon Chaos Max. This is the end of the game? Like, actually the end of the game? Oh. Oh! Oh, spicy! Going to Draco Future. I like that. That's pretty nice. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh! That thing was at 0! He died! Okay, that was fun. That was fun. It's fun to see not optimal Drytron gameplay. Let's be real. Alright, we're seeing a Red Eyes deck versus Cyber Dragon? Wait, hold on. Is it Cyber Dragon? Or is it rank 8s? Or is it Photons? Either way, this is an anime duel. So Galaxy Soldier is going to grab... Alright, it's versus Photons. So we have Photons versus Red Eyes. This is an anime duel. Galaxy Brave summons himself. Alright, we're going to go into Galaxy Eye Solar Flare. Solar Flare, target Brave, add back Brave. End phase. That's kind of lackluster. His hand is all full of nothing. Ooh, that's pretty good. Red Eyes Fusion. Sending... Hold on. Sending Red Eyes and Black Skull Dragon to summon... If these are casual duels, if this picks up casual duels, and you get to see shit like this. This is amazing. This is so good for the game. And good for this series. So this card says, once per turn, if this card battles, your opponent's cards and effects cannot be activated to the end of the damage step. If damage calculation is performed involving fusion summon card at the end of the battle, you target a Red Eyes normal monster in your graveyard and inflict battle damage equal to its attack. That's pretty cool. He's gonna go ahead and chain this to target to destroy. Discarding 2 to pop 1 is bad, but in that situation where it was simplified game state, it's good. Galaxy Trance, paying 2k, we're gonna activate Return to the Red Eyes. Why do you have Metal Morph? Bro. Alright, so Galaxy Wizard didn't activate its effect there. Gonna go into Starleash, Photon, Blast Dragon. Gonna go ahead and summon Galaxy Knight. And go into battle phase and hit for 38. So he controls no Red Eyes. Oh, he... Wait, no! Why? Why would you do that? No! Why would you not summon this? No! Why would you not normal summon this, activate Spirit's effect, summon Red Eyes, or summon Skull, activate Polymerization, go into the Dragon? I'm confused. What am I missing? Alright. I guess. We're gonna fast forward that a little bit. Summoning a big boy. Summon Guardian Order. Summoning... Yeah, this is just the end of the game here. This should absolutely be the end. Red Eyes gets to trigger, summoning Black Dragon. Red Eyes Black Dragon summons. Not sure what you summon in attack mode. Cypher Dragon. Cypher Dragon effect. Discard, target, destroy. Gonna do battle damage here, attack. Red Eyes Baby Dragon triggers, summons Red Eyes Black Dragon, and attaches to it. Oh, that was enough. Alright, we got a duel here. Ooh, Zombie Dragon. Set a card. Wait, what? Wait, what? Huh? What was that? Why did he attack into the big guy? Dude, you had so many plays. Ugh. Birds. Yeah. I want to be excited about this, but I hate birds. And I play them at locals a lot. And so I don't care. I mean, the gist of it is, Rabina summon, grab Eaglin, Eaglin grab Endpin, Endpin summon, grab Map, summon Barrier Statue, activate Map effect, reveal Toucan, Toucan banish Dreaming Town, Toucan summon, grab Dreaming Town, set Dreaming Town, pass. They can't special summon anything but wins, and they're going to normal summon on their turn, and they're going to loop a Ryza. Well, if any deck can do it, it's going to be Eldritch. Banish 6, draw 2. Oh my lord, set 5. Oh my god, if any deck can do it, it's this one. Eaglin effect. Chainlink 2 Eaglin, grab Eaglin back. Go ahead and grab Ryza. Tribute, summon Ryza. Ryza, spin a back row. Weird. Set Dreaming Town to the top, which I think is incorrect. That's fine. Dreaming Town, map effect, reveal Toucan, banish wins. Skill drain is insane here. Thank God. Ring of Destruction on the bird. I'll take 27. Take 5, take a 1. The problem is he can't activate any of his, like, Elvish Trap cards because he can't special summon. Oh, wait, no, yeah, he can. This is skill drained. Never mind, I'm stupid. Another Pot of Extravagance. You should banish 6. Draw 2. Tribute for a Lava Golem. Activate a Dreaming Town. Summon an Eaglin. Activate a Toucan. Get a Toucan back. Activate Just Desserts. Burn for 15. Oh, you're playing Burn. Oh. Well, that's funny. Burn for... Yeah, it doesn't burn. Can we go to battle phase? Are you dead here? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, he killed himself. Oh, I love it. Get eaten, bird boy. Oh my god. I thought he was dead. No, this man had a plan. This man had a plan all along. Holy guacamole. Okay, Chaos Thunder Dragon's a good deck. This deck's pretty cool. Activate Maxi, just shotgunning it. We don't even care. Alright, we're going to activate Allure of Darkness. We're going to draw 2 cards. We're going to send this Thunder Dragon Dark, banish it. We're going to go ahead and grab another Thunder Dragon Dark after the... oh wait, Thunder Dragon Fusion. I'm sorry. Normal summon Aloof Lupine, Aloof Lupine, banish Dragon Matrix. Go ahead and send Dragon Roar. Dragon Roar and Matrix. Matrix is going to grab another Matrix, right? And then Roar grabs Hawk. Or Fusion. Summons Hawk. Yep. Activate Thunder Dragon Fusion. Go ahead and shuffle those back. Summon a Titan. Draw a card. And we're going to end here. Interesting. I think Colossus is better. Go ahead and preemptively Maxi, but they've drawn 6 cards already. No Ash Blossom or Called By. And a Kaiju. And they summon a Train, and then they pass. Oh, so yeah, this is like Train OTK, but because... Okay, so this is actually crazy. They have a chance here. So Gold Sark is insane in this deck. Activate Thunder Dragon Fusion, banish Thunder Dragon Fusion, grab Thunder Dragon. Go ahead and summon White Burst, the White Baby Dragon, summon Striker Dragon. Trigger to grab the black one, to Black Dragon Collapse Serpent. Activate Allure, draw 2, banish Collapse Serpent. Activate Gold Sark, send Roar? Or send Dark? Send Dark. Dark Effect, grab Fusion. Summon Aloof Lupine, Aloof Lupine effects. Banish Dark and Roar. Or, sorry, Hawk and Roar. Summon Matrix. Send Dasher back. Send Imperm back. Send Matrix back to draw 3. Oh my god. Go into Cross Sheep. Activate Thunder Dragon Fusion. Go into Titan. Insanity. And then go into... A Cross Sheep effect is going to trigger. Summon Maxi. Go into Unicorn. Unicorn effect. Oh, we're just going to go into Access Code. We're going to kill them. Access Code effect. Access codes because you can't respond. Boop. And we're going to go for game. Crazy. Good crackback. Really good crackback. The other player should have taken the Maxi challenge. Like, they should have just went for it. In my opinion. I think it would have been better if they would have went for it, because if not, they died, and so it doesn't help them at all. Right? Like, I mean, it's a gamble, you know, but you know what deck they're playing, and you know that they've looped their resources already, so just a thought. Anyway, that was actually a really cool game, because it was like OTK versus like this rogue, really good control combo deck. So it's pretty cool. Thanks for joining on this episode of Replay Roulette. We will see you in the next one. Subscribe, like, do those things. I appreciate it. Happy dueling, everybody.